You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is p greater than 74/7 greater than 104/7. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 1 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by 7. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is p greater than 74/7 greater than 104/7.